Simulation of build an atom from PhET. You'll click on the atom part of the simulation. Make sure you click stable, unstable. And as you work through to figure out what makes unstable and stable atoms, start by adding a proton. Check and see if it says that you're stable. Add neutrons. And see what happens when you add extra neutrons. And when you're stable, unstable, then take away the neutrons. Add another proton. Notice the name of the element change over on the right. The place on the periodic table has changed. Then start adding neutrons. And notice when it's stable and when it becomes unstable. And then keep repeating the process by adding extra protons, and then continue from the point of instability until it becomes stable again and then goes back to being unstable. You want to do a multiple amount of protons. We've got quite a number down here that we haven't used yet. So you should be able to build an atom with 10 protons and check and see what makes it stable and unstable. Also note when you get to other parts, up in the upper right, it's talking about a positive ion. And if you add enough electrons, you notice it says a neutral. And then if you add more electrons, it says you have a negative ion. So as you're working through the build an atom sequence, don't forget to also check some of the other tabs, such as when you start doing this, you'll start seeing an element card, and you can see how things change on the element card when you add different subatomic particles. See what happens to the element card there. So make sure you play around with this. We'll be using this throughout the next few weeks to get our understanding of elements, ions, atoms, and such to be better.